This is the down. This is the Nile. This is the Nile. Hold on, let me ask a question. Is the Nile in the Oromo region or is all over? It crosses all over the country. Segli is the river, right? Seglia. Am I wrong? All right. I thought it sounds so different this time and sounds so Afrobeat. Tokoloka, yeah. No. Missing the beat. I want to start. This one's cool. Bro, all of you heard this girl look like Rwanda, this girl. I think some Ethiopian have a mixture of Rwanda blood. Look at this lady right here. You know the Rwanda women? She looks exactly like Rwanda women. Yeah. I've never had something like that in Ethiopia. This beat is way too different. Ilupabo fartibora. Olomore. Hey. Ate sanko achkura. Hey. Oh, it's just been thrown. I love the location, bro. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Ilaki chumurani. Why is she not even smiling at all? What's wrong with you, girl? Wapale silatane. Hey! He switch. Just switch it. Come on. You can do such version and rap. Okay. This is classic. Etria. Yeah, that's how you end a badass song like that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking. Stay tuned on the channel. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe if you're new. Like and share. Please leave a comment when you leave anything or a link for your own video to react to next. Bye. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Team Pause Uptown. Yeah.